Hello, thank you for coming today. Today we're going to do these fabric gift sets from the Dollar Tree. And you get 2 in a pack for $1.25. And I'm making these for my kids. I'm going to stuff them for Valentine's Day and put some of their little favorite things that they like. My kids are a little bit bigger, so they might get like socks, money, lipstick, my oldest daughter, and like chapsticks and stuff like that for my youngest daughter. So I'm gonna put their names on there. I chose yellow so it can stand out a little bit. I was gonna do white, but you can do pink. Whatever color you floats your boat, you can do. So the first one I'm gonna do is Kayla, and you get to size this any size you want, as long as it fits the width fits, so it won't go off the sack. You're fine. And I use one of these measuring tapes, and you can just measure wherever you want it to be. But I did about 4.5, probably about 2, like 4.5 by 2, because you gotta go to the Y. So you have to the top of the K to the bottom of the Y. So we're gonna do that. I do have a heat press. We're not gonna use the heat press today because I'm only gonna press these 2 sacks on this video today. So what we're gonna use is a tiny iron, and I got this from Walmart. I'm gonna do another video because I have another one also from another place. So we're gonna put these side by side in another video, but today we're gonna use this one from Walmart. I did bring the Teflon sheet so I could just lay it over. It shouldn't be no issue if you don't have one, but I use the Teflon sheet for everything. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna lay this over here. And this little iron gets hot, so we're just gonna press it over here. I'm gonna try not to shake y'all too much. I'm sorry. So we're gonna fill these sacks up with, like, Kayla, she's older, so she can get like lipsticks. I might get her like a little wallet, sock, like a pack of socks. Well, not a pack of socks, a pair of socks, like a little Valentine's Day sock. Some of her little favorite things that she like. Might get her a little shot of liquor. Those little tiny liquor bottles. I might put one of those in here, and like probably a shot glass with the letter K on here. So we're just gonna run this over. Let me see if it's okay for me to pull up. And it is. So I will just lay this back down again and lay it down. I got this vinyl from offline. I had bought a whole bunch, and it was $2. $2 a roll for like a 5-foot roll. And so I have a whole lot of colors. So here we go, and that's Kayla. Kayla's is done. So we're gonna do the kids. It cut through the mat. So the B on the weed, the B separate. Take the top layer off. Separate. So we're gonna do this one. I'm just gonna lay the Teflon sheet on there again. Just run the iron over it. The iron, I do not have water in there. You could put water in there, but that's, you know, it's gonna produce steam, and we don't want that. So there's no water, but it gets hot. I'm sorry for shaking y'all. But it brings out the iron for like tiny projects when I have just like 1 or 2 things I have to do with vinyl. If it's small like this, if it's a shirt, I use the heat press. If I got 1 shirt, I use the heat press for sure. I wouldn't use the iron for a heat press for a shirt. That's my preference. I see people do it, but I wouldn't. So I want to pull up the B separate. See, because the B, that piece came off. It was already off there. Uh-oh, I pulled the vinyl up for that. So we're going to press that down. Okay, still warm. So I'm just going to lay this back back down. And we're gonna go over it maybe once or twice just to lay it back down. And this one, I'm just gonna put like a pack of socks in there, some money, like a bag of favorite candy bar or something like that. Chapstick. So anything you want in these little sacks. Also has some for the daycare kids. The one that's bigger. The one that's bigger than the last video. I did these with the candy jars. These are for the smaller ones, not the tiny tots or the babies. They won't be getting this because it got the little tiny candies. So my bigger ones that I have that comes after care and before care, like the 12-year-olds and stuff like that, they'll be getting sacks, and I'll fill their sacks with something different. But these two right here are for my personal kids, my own kids. But the older kids, like at the daycare, like 10 and 11, 12, the ones that come in after care, will be getting these. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and like the video. Thank you. Bye.